In this guide, I'm gonna show you guys how to fix no sound on YouTube videos. First, check your device volume. For that, you can launch your control center. Now here you're gonna find this volume slider. Set it to full. Next thing you wanna do is restart the app or browser. If you are on mobile device, close the YouTube app completely and reopen it. On PC, refresh the page or restart your browser. Next, update YouTube or browser. Go to App Store or Google Play Store and install updates for YouTube. On computer, make sure your browser is up to date. Check server status of YouTube. For that, launch your preferred browser. Navigate to the website Sound Detector. Search for YouTube. If there are any outages, you'll need to wait until the problem will be resolved. Next up, check device sound settings. Check whether you have set your device to the silent mode. If that's the case, you'll need to disable it. Likewise, test another app or video. Play a video in another app or site. If sound works there, the issue is only with YouTube. If no sound at all, it's likely a device speaker or hardware issue. And that's it. These are some best ways to fix no sound issue on YouTube videos. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.